She won't play.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
That is so cute. Bye-bye, cake.
Good God. We're gonna need a water hose. Have fun.
And she's
I
also...
think we put that
Catch, Mama!
Hey, Kylie, can you not have a kiss?
No.
Yay, baby!
Yay, baby! How did you feel that?
Donna, your dad can't see.
Kylie! Yay,
Your
baby!
dad's got big enough half full mic.
Yay, baby! Kylie!
I think she's getting full.
Yay, baby! Clap! She's gonna clap. What? This will be Robert.
Look at that big old God. Oh, it's just goozing out of hand.
This is
I don't want none.
It's dark. I need more light.
There is no more light. Hunter, turn on the light up there.
Nobody else wants it. You have it to yourself.
Robert, go turn the light on in there.
That ain't gonna help.
Yeah. Can't you, like, move those towards her?
No.
Oh, okay, now I see it.
What are you doing, Mama?
Mama, leave it on the grass.
Oh my God!
You're funny.
Show some with Mama.